Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be another unboxing of a really excellent MagSafe accessory by Andobil. This is a double-sided magnetic ring holder, and you're probably thinking, okay, I don't really know what that is, but hey, that's why you're watching this video, so you can find out, because this is a super cool product. You can see premium packaging, as always, from Andobil. Nice flat box with the shiny logo on there. Open up the flap, and here you go. You can see their logo. We believe technology can integrate perfectly with life, and that's what they do. They make really cool, useful technology to go with phones and tablets and things like that. And this is the device. Now, this is a tiny little device, and there's some other things in here. We'll take a look at what else comes in the box in a minute. But this is the device. Now, what is this? Well, this is a double-sided magnetic ring holder. So this is MagSafe compatible, and this would go on your phone. And I have my phone right here, so I can show you exactly how it works. It goes on your phone like that. Once you have that in place, you've got this ring, and this ring can twist around. And that's, so that you can hold your phone without having to worry about it dropping or you dropping it. And you can twist it around to be whatever direction you want it to be. So, nice ring holder. And could also double as a stand if you wanted to put it down like that. It could double as a stand. And besides all that, this side is also magnetic. So you can then, when this is on there, you can stick this to anything that's metal. So that could be in an Ioniq 5, that could be that nice little magnetic area by the entertainment screen or by the instrument panel. So this could be your entire phone mount for your Ioniq 5. Or at work, you could stick it to a cabinet or whatever, anything that's metal. This is magnetic, so it will stick to anything metal, and this will stay sticking to your phone. And then you've got that built-in ring that you can use as a stand as well as to hold it. So that is what this is and what it does, and that is cool because I haven't seen anything else like that from anyone else, especially with the double-sided magnet, to be able to use it in that way, which is really cool. Now let's take a look at what else comes in the box. You get, of course, you've got some warranty info there. You've got your welcome guide and information. And then you've got this little packet here with this little guide here. Now, what this is what can help you use this. So, check this out. You've got two magnetic circles with sticky backs so that you can stick these anywhere. And because they're magnetic, you would, if this is on your phone, boom. You can stick your phone, so you could put this on a wall, you could put it anywhere you want to put it, and then that would become a place you could mount your phone. If this is stuck to your phone, then you put your phone against that, it would hold your phone. And they include two of those, so that's really awesome. And then besides that, you also get these two magnetic rings, and these can be used to make a case that is not a MagSafe case. This will make it MagSafe compatible. So you've got these rings, you've got the cleaners to help install those, as well as the matchup card, and this is the guide that helps make sure you get those in the right place. So if you have a MagSafe phone, but maybe you don't have a MagSafe case right now, you can use these rings, one black and one white, and this guide to turn that into a MagSafe phone so that you can then use this cool accessory with it. But that is everything that comes in the box. You get the really awesome magnetic, double-sided magnetic ring holder. You get the two magnetic sticky mounts to put anywhere you want to so that you can stick your phone to it, your instruction guide, and your two MagSafe rings to retrofit any non-MagSafe case. Anyway, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.